Most traders obsess over entries. They obsess over strategy. They obsess over edge. But what quietly wrecks their portfolio? Position sizing. It's the hidden risk that doesn't just hurt one trade, it compounds across hundreds. And in 0DT trading, that mistake adds up fast. Let me explain. For those of you that are new here, my name is Mark Anderson, construction worker turned 0DT hedge fund manager. I've sold over $50 million in 0DT premium across over 1,000 consecutive market trading days. And I'm still trading every single morning. This video is about the #1 portfolio killer I see in the 0DT space, bad sizing. Let's get into it. Position sizing compounds. Think of it like the national debt. You borrow a little more, and before you know it, it's bigger than everything you've earned and all the taxes you collect. Most traders are making 4 entries per day, 250 plus days per year. That's over 1,000 trades. If your sizing is off by just $5 per trade, you're leaking $5,000 a year, and most people are off by a lot more than that. Backtests can lie to you. They make you feel safe until size starts multiplying your worst decisions. Try undershooting your backtest by $5 per trades. This tracks how much of a difference it can make over time, and you'll be shocked. Bad examples for wrong people. You're probably following someone on Discord or YouTube who owns their own house outright, has $5 million in real estate, and trades a 200 grand brokerage account for fun. Meanwhile, you're 29, renting, and 70% of your net worth is in your brokerage account. Different worlds, different risk, different goals. I share backtest all the time, but I'm not trading most of them. Some of those are setups, like the long straddle, that only make sense if you have 7 figures in your account. I even have a 250 grand test account where I use 100% of my buying power, not to make money, to just forward test new ideas. We have to stop pretending that what works for me is going to work for other people and it will work for you. You need to be honest about where you're at and where you're starting from and what allocations make sense for you. And when you follow other people, are their goals aligned with yours? The hedging trap. Everyone asks me about hedging. My answer, if your account is below $500,000, it's not worth doing. A single 7DT straddle can lose your account up to 10% over a 12-month backtest. I've seen it happen. Instead of hedging, diversify. Run 4 to 6 credit strategies. Spread trades across different times of day. Leverage might be cheaper at the end of the day, but a bad end of the day strategy with good leverage is still a bad strategy. The free lunch in this game is diversity. Think like a portfolio manager. Do you have to trade every hour? No. Are you running 5 to 6 different 0DT strategy setups? Are you logging them, sizing them correctly, and following your plan? Then and only then you should start thinking about hedging, overlays, or portfolio theory. Because guess what? If you haven't mastered the simple stuff, the complex stuff will wreck you. People miss the whole point. Investing is about having a thesis, making a plan, allocating to it, and following it. That's it. Simple as that. Want to know why diversification beats doubling your size or adding hedge? It's like living alone versus living with a roommate. Living alone, you pay for 100% of the rent, groceries, utilities, and anything else that goes wrong. Add 1 roommate, your cost structure drops dramatically. If you were to add 12 roommates, it barely changes. The first few steps of diversity, from 1 to 2, give you the most massive gain. Same with trading. A second time slot, a third strategy, that's where diversification will really benefit you. Stop trying to optimize the end of the game. Master the basics. If this hit home, hit subscribe. I post every week to help real traders build real systems. Not hype, not courses, not theory. If you're actually running a portfolio of backtested trades and forward testing them, shoot me a message. And if you're still figuring that out, rewatch some of my videos. I promise it'll cost you a lot less than learning it the hard way.